Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Straub. A little bit about me: I graduated from Millersville in 2016 with my undergrad. I enjoy spending time with my dog Luna. I enjoy going to country concerts and listening to country music. As a part-time job, I work at Snapology, where children can come and work with Legos, and we teach them about robotics and engineering. My favorite animated or cartoon character is Olaf, and I currently teach 4th grade in Manheim Township. I chose to get my STEM endorsement because I really enjoy STEM. I feel it promotes student engagement. There's many learning opportunities through STEM for students. It allows for career readiness, and it also allows for all student ability levels to shine. STEM is important because it is vital for a thriving economy and a safe and healthy society. As mentioned in one of the videos, the innovations and creativity of science, technology, engineering, and math will be the drivers for tomorrow's economy, jobs. If you're not a participant of that frontier, you will fall behind. It promotes critical thinking. It builds a community, collaboration, and promotes problem-solving skills. It allows students to connect learning and allows for application. And students also should know how to apply what they've learned in practical situations that they might encounter in their everyday lives. My operational definition of STEM is very similar to the one that's in our course textbook. It's the interconnected, hands-on approach to teaching science, technology, engineering, and math together in one coherent lesson. I personally feel that the lessons where students learn the most are where they're exposed to real-world problems, where they can connect the material to their everyday lives and find the importance for learning and understanding the concepts. Our course text stated, "I've always realized that math out of context of the real world does not create curiosity or build conceptual understanding like it does when taught in conjunction with science and engineering." Another quote that stuck out to me was, whether or not you ever again use the math you learned in school, the act of having learned the math established a wiring in your brain that didn't exist before and makes you the problem solver. And I think that's a really powerful quote that we can share with students when they're asking why they have to learn a certain topic or that they feel they'll never use it in their lives. I thought that was really powerful. In my classroom, I use STEM for icebreakers in the beginning of the year throughout different science units, like our energy unit or landform unit, and also on non-special days. One of the examples of a STEM lesson that I use in my classroom is where students have to use the knowledge they've acquired through our energy unit to create a flashlight that will light, fit into a tube, and turn on and off using a switch. They're given a paper towel roll, 2 D-cell batteries, wires, a bulb holder, a switch, and tape, and they have 2 45-minute sessions to go through the engineering design process where they ask, plan, imagine, design, create, and improve their flashlight. Another quote that stuck out to me that I connected with was, "Time is short, time to plan is even shorter." Time is one of the biggest reasons I don't add more STEM-related activities into my classroom or teaching practices. I'd love to have more time to create and plan these activities. With the STEM lesson that I chose to discuss, students have to ask questions, define problems, they develop and use models, they have to carry out investigations, they have to design solutions if it doesn't work, they have to evaluate and communicate with others, they have to share what they did, they have to use precision. They need to make sure that everything can fit inside the tube, and they also use circuits, batteries, and a switch and wires. As stated in the STEM Lessons Essential, the T and E of STEM are often overlooked, which I feel is what kind of happened here. And my goals for this course are to learn and understand how to incorporate all areas of the STEM domains into a lesson that's time appropriate, get new ideas from classmates of STEM activities that they've implemented and seen student success with, and a lot of just sharing resources and new teaching practices. I'm looking forward to working with everyone in this course.